Hi there, Matt here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2017 BMW X1 we have new in stock. This is an X-Drive model, the 20D xLine 5-door step auto to be specific. The vehicle does come with the optional sport automatic transmission, the optional park assist, the optional cruise control with a braking function, the optional extended lighting package and also the optional exterior folding mirrors. The vehicle as standard comes with 18-inch diamond turn design alloy wheels, the BMW Sport design front and rear bumpers, LED headlights, LED tail lights, a full leather interior including a leather trimmed steering wheel, DAB radio, satellite navigation and front and rear parking sensors as well, different driving modes, different infotainment systems, plenty of boot space available in the rear, as well as plenty more features listed in the description below. If you'd like to know any more information about this vehicle, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire through our website.